Actually, I think so. In this year, you can know lots of things. And please don't bind yourself with your CGPA and your backlogs, your examinations. Okay, that's also important. Just to split your work scenarios as the three parts. One is for your academic work, and another the 50% for academic. Sorry, 50% for your technical skill development, your self learning, and 30%. Okay, so till now you have since from your first year only you have to go through some interview process and all, the aptitude, the verbal skills, communications. So those things you have to train up yourself, your communication skills and all. Okay, so just allocate your time according to your mood. Okay, so keep your consistency day by day. So never lost your consistency. So in GitHub also, I will forgot to remember that in GitHub also we have that you guys saw that like that, just another concept. So that yeah, this area. Okay, actually this is about that the number of contributions of uh, actually this colorful makes you to check whether about your consistency day by day. Okay, so the day by day I contribute to my guitar, so this will be integrated in this colorful space or not. Like that we can know how we have consistency in that any in our work or not. So consistency is must be important to do any work. Okay, so without consistency, actually the work is not get fulfilled actually. So if I want to learn any JavaScript, you have to learn the JavaScript day by day. Okay, so academic work is apart from that. Okay, the self learning is must important. The self learning is very important than your academic and all. Okay, so do contribute yourself with your time and make a good time management. Okay, so commit yourself, commit any, you have to commit with your any work, any important work. It may be your learning, it may be any what the contribution programs, any webinars, any workshop, whatever it may be. But don't be free. Okay, these are precious days, and once the time is over, it will never, we can't get anything. Okay, so lots of developments are happening day by day. Okay, so you have to well versed in everything, not everything, your particular domain. You have to strong in your domain. That's the only thing. You need not to want to well versed in all the domains. Okay, you just know the knowledge about everything, like what is machine learning, what is cloud, what is that, what is this, like. But you have well versed, specialized in your favorable domain. That is most important. Okay, so no one will be ask you why you are choosing this domain, why you are choosing that domain. No one will be asking, because that is based upon your interest. Okay, without interest we can't do anything, right? Okay, society will be changes day by day, and technology must also be changes day by day. Okay, we have to be a lifelong learner. That is must important. We have to easily adapt. The flexibility must be important for us as a technique guys. Okay, we have to flexible to everything. Okay, while we are going to a company also, there's a lot of we have to make that flexible skills in with us only. Flexibility and adaptability. Okay, those both things are most important for us. Okay, we have to change our thing ourselves to make that something good or not. Okay, so do contribute yourself to your work and do more and more projects. Just start learning from today onwards. Just I think, I hope you guys are well versed in that self learning, I think. But those who are not know, please do that by today itself. Just to go to any, first choose your interesting domain first. Okay, don't bind with your academics work or not. Just now first year onwards you have to choose your domain. Okay, so which domain is best for me, which domain is not best for me, why I should go into this domain. So what are the things, what are the future for this domain. So by choosing any domain, these things are you have to keep a reminder in your mind. What are the future scope of this domain? Okay, who all are involved in this domain, what is the scenario of this domain in a particular IT company. Okay, what is the developers and what are the competitive programs that works in this domain. So actually these are some important things we have to keep reminded in mind while choosing any domain. Okay, the domain choosing is not a easy task actually. That is not completely, I am showing that that is not an easy task. We have to keep well reminded in our mind. This all things are not. Okay, then only we have to choose our interesting domain. Okay, so we have to specialize in our domain. That is most important. Okay, so the profile building is very important for placements and all. Okay, so in the traditional method, what happens means based upon the CGPA and based upon the ranks, the 10th and 12th mark sheets, the record will be easily record some peoples and all. The traditional engineering life, it may be. But nowadays, this century, this is obviously it is not. Okay, the CGP is one part of the requirement, right? So the first one is your profile. The profile is most important. Okay, so profile based upon your profiles only, recruiter will be what hire you. Okay, as well as your like on campus as well as off campus. If you are good at your extraordinary at your profile, you can be placed at anything. It may be online or it may be sorry. It may be on campus or it may be off campus, whatever it may. But your resume stood out. That is important. Okay, so do contribute yourself in a to make a good resume and participate in more and more events as well as okay. So there is a lots of communities are developed. Communities as well as startups are developed. There is lots of events also developed day by day. Okay, so through the lockdown periods, there is lots of events are developed. Like many hackathons, Hack Jaipur, Hack Gujarat, lots of things. And do like enroll in a Microsoft student partnership. Actually, now it is called a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadorship. Like okay, so just apply for that. It will be noticed by November itself. Sorry, April itself. Okay, I will send that link now. Just give you a application here. Apply for him. Just, okay. Actually, this is a global program for all the student ambassadors for Microsoft by Microsoft. Okay, so you just here the requirement will be happening quarters per year. Okay, so I think this April month. Okay, this April month the requirements will happen. Okay, so just do apply for this ambassadorship program. This is by Microsoft also by Microsoft. Okay, so you have to do lots of things. Okay, so guys, you have participated in Google Hash Code, like a coding contest. It will be. It is a coding contest. You just participate in that. Okay, that certificate is also a very important certificate. Okay, those who are people who are going to software field. For those people, like these programs are not. So these are some wide. There are lots of programs by tech giants companies or conducted by tech giants also. Okay, so you just actively present in a LinkedIn. Definitely you will get every news in the LinkedIn. And if you don't know, just connect with me. Okay, so I will share all the LinkedIn, all the events details. Okay, just chat with me. I will share all the what are the events that I know. I will share with you guys. Okay, and my LinkedIn profile is I have posted here. Just this is my LinkedIn profile. Just chat with me, and I will share lots of events details and all. What are the events I will know? Okay, so that and make more connections on LinkedIn. Okay, do more and more connections. Okay, yeah. I have uploaded in Microsoft, but no. Yeah, that is not much important. Actually, the selections is not important. Okay, so you will got some message in that your mail. Okay, that is important. Okay, so some messages like your certification is much less. So you have to do lots of certification. So these things will happen. But if your profile is good, definitely you will get selected. Okay, that is important actually. So there's lots of people are selected in a Microsoft Learn to Ambassador part program. Okay, so based upon their resume, based upon their profile only they have selected. Okay, so make your profile more good. Make a good profile as well as make a true profile. No any fake profile. Okay, so that is absolutely the proof is must important for all your certification also. So okay, certification as well as experiences also. The proof is must important. Okay, so do contribute yourself to every community program. Just give your what presence and your all the events and all. What are the events coming in a day by day? You can just go to if you have time, you just go to and attend those events. Okay, and get some knowledge. Not only go for any certificate. Just you have to the main scope of that even attending that event is to get some experience. Okay, because no one will share anything to us. Okay, this is a competitive world. Okay, no one will share anything to us. Okay, so by this help of these programs, this good program, good people, good profile good good communities only we can get some important messages on that like so this is how we can make ourselves a more professional. Okay, no one will help us. Okay, we will be help to us only. Okay. Yeah, this is how we can make a profile. So anyone have any suggestions for my profile? Karthik Kanna. Yeah, just a minute. I will open it. Yeah, this profile, Mr. Karthik Kanna. Yeah, loading. The Karthik Kanna, this is actually kind. That is a good Karthik Kanna, but the headline is must. We have to change this headline. Okay, the computer science and engineering student. Okay, so recruiters will know you are computer science and engineering students by seeing your education section. Okay, so instead of using this phrase, you can using the phrase with a innovators course VIT. Okay, you are which position you are in the innovator course. Yeah. Member committee head, like committee head in innovators course VIT, like that, and uplifting more people by using this community in VIT. So by using these cover amazing phrases only, we can easily cover the recruiters and all professions and all. Okay, so in everything, people will be get only by the seeing your profile with your headlines only. Okay, no, not every your entire things. So, this two are most important. Your profile, your headlines, and your name is most important. Okay, so remaining is well all good. Just to keep this change this head title. That is most important. Yeah. This is all about your profile, Kanna. So is anyone? Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, it's very good. So you are in now fourth semester. Fine, it's all good. So do
So
lots
there
of
is any, excuse me, sir.
yeah.
There is particular time to apply for Microsoft Student Learning Ambassador.
Sure. Now you can apply for that. Okay. So it is
So
the
like my
record.
application is pending there. Means I filled all the details since December only.
Fine. Actually, you have now the application is now your there's no any review process that happened there. Okay.
No, sir.
So when that will be intimated by your mail or else the application status. Okay. When that your application will comes in the review process, the notification will be a mail there. Okay. You can easily check whether that it will be. I think it will be done by April month. Okay. So quarter month. Yeah. Last one is November. Now it's April month. Yes. What is the event thing? Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadorship. Actually, I have posted that event link here. You just go through it. Just apply for that. There is lots of community events are happen like Google, Microsoft, IBM, and GitHub and all. Okay, GitHub Campus Expert Program. So like that only. So just a minute, I will check the GitHub Campus. Whether it is available or not. Just search through the net, the internet. Okay, so there are lots of programs are available. Okay, so I think it's low or not. Yeah, yes, fine. It is opened only. Just to go to this. And also apply for this also. Okay, international level program. Okay, so go to this link and apply for that GitHub Campus Experts program also. Okay, this event name is open sourcing. Yeah, open sourcing plus profile building. Also. So anyone have any doubts? I hope you guys get some knowledge about profile building as well as open source contribution. If you have any doubt or if you have any suggestions, please ask me. If you want to clarify anything, with me.
I think we can conclude the event here.
Sure.
So I would like to thank you to provide us such a great knowledge about GitHub and helping us to lead this way to world of open sourcing. Uh, it was pleasure to attend this meeting, and very we got a very great knowledge from this. And we will follow your tips to build our profile in LinkedIn and GitHubs. And thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for me. For you. Thank you so much for Innovators Coast and VIT for inviting me. And I have also learned lots of from you. Thank you so much. And yeah, good evening.
Yes, thank you, sir.